Killer whales, also known as orcas, are actually a part of the dolphin family. They are apex predators, meaning that they are at the top of the food chain, and nothing else hunts them. They are among the fastest swimming marine mammals and can reach speeds up to 34 miles per hour or 57 kilometers per hour. They can be found in every ocean of the world. And the average life expectancy is 30 years for males and 50 years for females. Killer whales also sleep with one eye open. Unlike humans, killer whales need to remember to breathe, even when they are sleeping. So, while one half of the brain rests, the other half stays alert to control its breathing. The largest recorded male orca weight was 10,000 kilograms. Also, did you know that wild orca pods can cover over 160 kilometers a day, foraging and socializing? Killer whales are very smart hunters. Working together in groups, killer whales cooperate to herd fish into a compact area so that they're easier to gobble up. They will also slap their tails onto the water's surface, causing a wave to wash prey, such as penguins or sea lions, off ice banks and into the water. Sometimes, a pod of whales will join forces to surround a larger animal, such as a blue whale. They chase, bite and wear it down until it becomes weak enough for them to feast on. Killer whales even scare, and eat, great white sharks. They are so smart that they know that great white sharks rely on their livers for buoyancy and will remove a shark's liver. They often work together, in pods of as many as 40 members to hunt. Although they're great hunters, killer whales don't have smelling organs or even the part of the brain dedicated to this sense. So they cannot smell. Did you know they also go through menopause? There are only 3 species on the planet that go through menopause: humans, short-finned pilot whales, and killer whales. Killer whales are very intelligent. They have their own language, and excellent memories, teach each other hunting skills, and form tight-knit social groups. They communicate using 3 sounds: clicks, whistles, and pulse calls. Amazingly, different groups of killer whales speak different dialects. In some cases, the difference between dialects can be as large as the difference between Japanese and English. They even learn the languages of other species. A study found that killer whales that spent time with bottlenose dolphins started using more clicks to replicate the dolphins. Killer whales can recognize themselves in mirrors. The famous mirror recognition test is an animal behavior test used to figure out if animals can recognize themselves, and therefore if they are self-aware. Killer whales are one of the few animals that have passed this test. Other animals that passed the test include the great apes, including chimpanzees, orangutans, etc., Asian elephants, and magpies. The auditory system is the killer whale's main sensory organ. It is so evolved that they use echolocation to determine an object's size, shape, structure, composition, speed, and direction. According to one study, killer whales are so skilled in echolocation that they can recognize the species of salmon they prefer.